Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to show you two new projects that we'll be starting, and they're very exciting because they're both Dimensions Gold collections, only this time they're not petite. They're actually, well, basically the normal size. I'd say a medium-sized project. They both have a very different design and color scheme, and we hope that you enjoy. Remember to subscribe, click the like button and the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you every time that we upload a new video on the channel. And well, let's get started. Okay, so first off is mine, and I actually got the Japanese garden. And what I really like about this design is how vivid the colors are. So its finished size is going to be 40 by 30 centimeters. So you can say it's basically a medium-sized project. It brings the key, the instructions, and I have noticed that the strands of floss are very large, are very long. And I think that's a thing with Dimensions. All of the floss that come with the kits, for example, are very long strands of floss. So they're basically like Rapunzel style. And something that really caught our eye is that the gold floss, it's very thin. So it's basically like the diamond collection, but even more thin. So it will be interesting when I get to stitch this project, when I get to this part, because it is very thin, almost like those metallics from DMC. So one thing that made me actually pick out this project was the colors that it has. It has a lot of variety of colors, and in this palette alone you can see lots of purple tones, pink tones, magentas, reds, greens, some blues, some wines. There's basically a lot of colors in this palette alone. Same thing with the other palette, but the second palette, there's a lot of variety. The colors don't repeat themselves. There is different tones, and you also have, well, you have like around 4 different flosses that come together in a bigger bulk, because those might be the flosses that you'll use more often, so they come separate from the organizers. So it's basically extra floss that you're going to need of that specific color. And as you can see, there's a lot of green, and there's some blue, maybe for the sky, and then there's black. So most likely once we're done filming and recording the video, I might start this project, because again, I wanted to start it since I bought it, and I've been trying to have some willpower because we wanted to open it together with you so that you can also see, well, the unboxing experience of our first Dimensions gold collection in a bigger size. So now we're moving on to my mom's project, and again, this one was also on sale, and it's also a gold collection. We've also seen a Costa Rican stitcher who's also been working and stitching on this project. Her channel also is in English and in Spanish, so you can go ahead and check her channel out. I'll leave it down below in the description box, the link to her channel. It's a beautiful project. These tones are really up my mom's alley. She really loves the blue tones, everything blue colored. If you remember, she's actually stitching a project of 2 polar bears, and that project basically only has blue tones except for the polar bears themselves. And so yeah, she really likes these type of tones, these type of cool tones. So the finished size will be 16 by 12 inches, and this is the fabric. It's like a grayish with a little bit of blue toned color. And this one is also in a 16 count Aida. This one also brings a needle. I'm guessing it's the same as the other kit brought. And I think that DMC actually sells needles also, so it might consist of one of those needles. Again, as you can see, the floss is very long. All the strands of floss are very long. So I think that's basically a signature from Dimensions. So as you can see, it has basically a lot of blue tones. It's what it consists of, but it also has hints of yellow and orange and greens. It also has a little bit of purples and mints, and also some reds. So it's the majority is blue, but it also has a lot of other colors. I'm guessing those other colors are for the cabin and the reflection of the cabin, and well, the other ones should be for the aurora in the sky. And it brings one strand of this silver metallic kind of floss, but when we checked, it also brought more of this floss in a separate section. But it was quite interesting that they only included one strand in this organizer. And again, it's a very fine floss. It's basically a silver shiny color, very very pretty. As you can see, it brings more in stock, and they call it a blending filament. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it or call it, but it will be very interesting once she gets to the part that she needs to stitch on with this floss. We will be showing you our whip updates and the progress that we've been able to make with these two projects. Again, just like me, she might be starting this one as soon as we finish the video, since we both love the designs that we've chosen. So again, here are the two projects, the Aurora Cabin and the Japanese Garden. Very beautiful projects, very different in the color scheme, but they both have a very beautiful design. So again, we did get these on sale. We did have a coupon, but I will either way try to find a link for them. They probably won't be with a discounted price, but either way, if you want one of these, you can go and check out our link in the description box and see if they're in stock. So again, we do have a little bit of experience stitching dimensions. The gold petite in our case. My mom is doing the girl on the beach, and I'm doing the hot chocolate, which is a little tiny dog with a brown color. So that was all for today's video. We hope that you enjoyed. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you every time that we upload a new video. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!